Friends, I will do one more experiment. For this one, the pepper powder and water. For this only we will check it how it is. The water pour into the plate slowly. Now I can keep it pepper powder into it. Now I can check it. Now we can check. All this is spreaded. The soap and the water, it is getting like this. So thank you for watching. Please like and share. One more experiment I will do it. One is this is a balloon and this one is a tape, white tape. So now I can do it. It's a balloon. Now I can put it this tape. No, it's not. So, like this. Not there. Simple and easy experiment, which is Fevikick. This is baking soda. This baking soda we will mix up with the water, one empty glass for experiment. This is a simple and easy experiment, which is this is Fevikick. It is also same thing. It's a big one. It is a Fevikick. It's a Fevikick. It is small. It is small. This is big. We will keep it 25 ml, which is more. So I'll keep it one more thing. The baking soda 1 tablespoon. I'll be add with water. Now it is mixed. I will keep it side. And one more thing, I'll be empty glass of this one. This two is equal, so there is no issue. So now I can put it the baking soda and this one. Now two equally I'll be inserted. This one also. Now you can check it. What the reaction under the baking soda and Fevikick? How this is reaction? Wow! overheated. Like this, it is getting like this shape. Wow, very nice experiment. It's simple. Wow. Wow. Oh. Very tighten. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.